vaccinate wasichana, kansa imepunguka.
Ji ang'wen omaki e kaunti ma Kericho gi keth mar uso koth bando ma ok opuodhi ne jopur. Kodhigo iwacho ni nousi e bombe ma Chepsion, Litein, Kapsoit, Kapkatet duto e kaunti ma Kericho. Johalago nojuki ka mieno rangi mag red oxide e kodhi mar oduma mondo mi owuond jopur ni gin kodhi mopuodhi. Simeon Maina, jatelo mochung' ne migawo mar nono kodhi mano Kefis, owacho ni uso mar kodhi magalagala ketho ageta mar sirikal mar medo nyak mag cham e puothe.
The team was able to inspect 25 shops, and out of those, actually 22, that is 88%, were complying. But out of 3, they were able to find one. There was an aggravate whereby the seller had opened seed. That is a serious offense, because the moment seed is opened and is being weighed out, there is no assurance, because the seal has been removed. There is no assurance of the quality, because they could be selling anything. The other ones, we had persons who are selling seed without the seed seller's license, which in the process we were able to arrest 4 people from different locations. One of the offenders was actually found at Litein Market. We had a number of them. Some of them ran away when they saw the Kefis team.
Ramogi yena monda lor gi kanyo kapok aloro aneno ote mar min bil kanitiere kabon